How to view your orders on Alibaba. Go to the Alibaba website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Alibaba section. You can usually find this by hovering over your profile icon or username. In the My Alibaba section, locate and click on the Orders tab or option. This will take you to your order management page. On the Orders page, you'll see a list of your recent orders. You can view details such as order status, shipping information, and tracking numbers. Use the filtering options or search bar provided to narrow down your orders based on criteria such as order date, status, or product. To view more information about a specific order, click on its details or tracking number. And by following these steps, you can easily view your orders on Alibaba and track the status of your purchases. Thank you for learning how to view your orders on Alibaba with us. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.